My name is Ejaz Sir. I'm the President, CEO Club Pakistan, the CEO Today magazine. We have a special segment for our the books and the magazine regarding capturing the success stories of a CEO. Today we have a special guest, Mr. Zishan Habib Teli. He's the CEO of Pakola and the number of ventures he's has undertaken. Now, welcome to Mr. Zishan. Zishan, thank you very much for your time, for your coffee, and for your love and courtesy. Please share with us the struggle you did in your life, the pain points and the pride, because early life your lot of setbacks you and your families experienced. So please share with us a little journey in a nutshell. What were the ups and downs, high and downs in your life?
My mother, because my father was not well, my mother was over there and doing some treatments for my father. So she took me there, and then she eventually put me in a boarding school there.
Mm-hmm.
So I started my primary school in Surrey in the UK, and I studied there for 15 years eventually. I did my O levels from there, my A levels from there. So I
From Surrey?
from Surrey, yeah.
Surrey.
From Surrey, and then I went to a different school in the north of England that was called Abbotsholme, which was in a very Catholic school. But so my life has always been abroad, and because of that, my upbringing has been slightly different to what other people have been brought up to in Pakistan. So the struggle started from there, basically, because my father died when I was 8 years old.
Okay, too young.
Yeah, I was very young, and this company was part of the larger family at that time, so it was taken.
This was basically a family business.
Yeah, as families grow, they split. So eventually, I got this part of the business.
So business was actually separated.
It got separated in 2004 after my return. Yeah.
You returned. And what was the age?
I came back when I was 21. After
Too young.
Yeah, after doing my MBA
From
Manchester University.
you are basically from Manchester University.
Yeah.
Okay.
I did my bachelor's in textiles because we had a textile factory.
Yeah.
And my
It's the best university in textile in Manchester. Yeah.
it is one of the best.
Yes. Yeah.
But I didn't want to do textiles actually at all. But I was guided by my elders to do textiles because Pakistan made textile is very strong part of their exports, and a lot of the industry is in textiles. So they wanted me to do textiles. So I studied textiles, but I had no interest in it, to be very honest. I always wanted to work in Pakola.
Zishan, just going forward, please share with us the challenges in the beverage, because you just shifted from textile to the beverage industry. What are the key challenges? Offline, we were talking just 3 days back. We were talking about the textiles. A lot of government giving the incentives and the rebates and the other things to textile. Why not to the other industry, just like beverages? What are the key challenges, opportunities right now during COVID, after COVID? Please share with us.
देखें ट्रेडिशनली जो है ना बेवरेज इंडस्ट्री की कोई रिप्रेजेंटेशन ही नहीं है.
Yes, that is my question is.
There is no association. I mean, there is an association, but it's dead. It's not active, and it's not been active for 15-20 years. I've been working in this industry for 20 years now. And
in beverage industry.
In beverage industry for 20 years now. I joined when I was 22, and now I'm 42. So
you don't look like more than 32.
But I am 42. But there was no. I've never seen any beverage association meetings. Maybe 20 साल में 1-2 meetings हुई होंगी. Because there's no loyalty between the major players. There's too much competition.
That is the reason they are unable to make create an impact.
No, they have no say in the FBR. I mean, the big bottlers, they go independently to talk to the FBR if they have any issue.
Okay.
But as a collective, nobody goes, which is why this industry has suffered a lot.
There is a cutthroat competition.
There's competition, but because of this non-loyalty type mindset between the bottlers, there's never been any success. I mean, आप देखें कि हमारे ऊपर 13% excise duty है, 17% sale tax है. So 30 rupees, the 30% we are paying tax.
Too much.
And then हमारे ऊपर water tax भी लग गया है. Water tax में क्या है कि per 250 ml we have to pay 1 rupee.
अल्लाह अकबर।
अब सुना है शायद शुगर टैक्स भी लग रहा है थोड़े दिन में, कुछ और भी ट्रैक एंड ट्रेस.
But they are thinking that we should close down this industry. Yeah?
हाँ, I mean जितना benefit textile industry को मिला है over the last 20 years, which I have seen in terms of long-term loans, rebates, zero rated sales
Turf
tax,
like facilities.
you know, all these things they have got. अगर इतना beverage industry को या कोई और भी industry को इतना benefit मिलता, तो आज पाकिस्तान का एक्सपोर्ट जो है ना वो सिर्फ टेक्सटाइल पे नहीं खड़ा होता. There would be other segments which are contributing also. And you cannot expect कि एक साल में जो है हम 20 मिलियन की बेवरेज सेल्स पे आ जाएंगे या इंजीनियरिंग की एक्सपोर्ट्स इतनी सारी बन जाएंगी in 2 or 3 years. It will take time. It will take 10-15 years to build this up. अगर ये 15-20 साल पहले शुरू करते तो आज कुछ एक शेयर जो एक्सपोर्ट का टेक्सटाइल के अलावा भी होता. अब तो हर चीज़ टेक्सटाइल
घूम रही है
के उसी में घूम रही है. एंड दीज टेक्सटाइल पीपल, they are the one who are taking the advantage all the time.
Apart from the government related, the taxes related challenges, what are the challenges regarding the cash flow challenges for being a CEO? Because this is a headache for a CEO to manage the cash flows, recoveries, and plus the human resource challenges. Skilled people, we are very difficult to find.
Yeah.
Please share with us.
When I took over this company, it had a very small structure of people, you know, and we had not expanded into Punjab. So I mean, because this is an old family-run business, जो लोग यहाँ काम कर रहे थे वो 70 से 80 से काम कर रहे हैं, अभी भी काम कर रहे हैं कुछ लोग. But what I did was I introduced new blood into the business, which was not seen in a long time. So I have a new COO right now. She's looking after the company. She runs it independently, completely. And then we have a good HR manager right now that we've employed.
How many people are the, especially your,
We have
on
around-
this ship of
We have in this facility around 150.
150.
And in the facility in Punjab, we have
In
about-
Faisalabad.
In Faisalabad. we
Yeah, I
have
think this
about
is a
50.
larger, a bigger facility.
Yes, that
Then-
is a bigger facility. Over there, we have a very high-speed can line that we are running, and we produce for other people over there, and also we produce our own products.
What kind of the products and especially the future where you are jumping in? Because Pakola, where I sit right now in the site area of Karachi, the top industrial area of Pakistan. Why not Pakola in Punjab side? I never seen. I just traditional beverages, Coke, Pepsi,
Yes.
and Nestle's.
Yes.
Why Pakola not in Islam?
Pakola started in Karachi in 1950 on 14th August, and the original plant was on Lawrence Road. And then when we expanded, we shifted to Pakistan Beverage, which is Pepsi now. So Pakola started basically from Pakistan Beverage from 1950 से लेके 79 तक Pakola was made there, and it was always a Karachi product. हमारे family में से जितने भी elders थे, they never branched out into Punjab so much. You know, we did try in the 90s. We put up a factory in Islamabad, but it was not very successful because of lack of manpower, and nobody was willing to go and settle there and and run it independently. So Pakola has always been Sindh and Karachi.
Confined to Sindh, yeah.
I mean, you will find Pakola more readily available in Houston, Texas, but you will find it less in Lahore because यहाँ से हमारा
Why?
Because
People don't like this taste or the other
they
reason?
don't know about it. I mean, आप
There is a
किसी
virgin market
आप
for you.
किसी से भी बात करें पंजाब
You don't know.
में, have you heard of Pakola?
No.
वो Pakola, what is that?
उनको पोलका आइसक्रीम का पता है.
हाँ, वो
They know पोलका आइसक्रीम.
पोलका करेंगे is an ice cream, नहीं ice cream.
Yes.
It's a drink. They don't know about this product. So
तो सर हमारे साथ को डील करें, हम उसको लॉन्च कर देते हैं सर सीएम क्लब के साथ.
that is why we put up a factory in Faisalabad,
Yes.
so that so we are sitting there with commitment now. We've just put up a brand new facility which cost us more than $1 billion to set up over there. It is run independently. It is one of the best plants in Pakistan.
माशाल्लाह.
It is right next to Liberty Textiles, PABC, which makes the cans, and we have the
PABC, okay.
We have
वो
the
केंद्र
same-
बना रहे हैं. Rawan साहब, he was the first CEO.
Salman Ron.
Salman Ron is my personal friend.
Yeah, I know him. I know him very well.
And you know the whole hiring of the by Salman and the HR head actually at my office.
अच्छा.
The first hiring, the HR, the whole company's hiring actually was based in for taken from my office.
बेसिकली पहले जो है ना कैन दुबई से आते थे.
जी, फिर उनको ये
तो
फैसला
ये इन्होंने जब ये फैसलाबाद में ये जगह ली ना, तो मुझे सलमान ने एक दिन कहा कि मैंने ये कंपनी ज्वाइन कर ली, आई एम द सीईओ, एंड हमारे बाजू में 4 एकड़ की जगह बिक रही है, तो तुम वो खरीद लो और तुम यहाँ फैक्ट्री लगाओ. सो इट वाज एक्चुअली सलमान
pushed you at that time.
he is the one who introduced me to this piece of land, and I bought this piece of land,
Wow.
and I put up this
ये तो कल की
factory.
बात है, मेरा 5-6 साल पहले की बात.
हाँ, it's like
Just
5 years
5
ago.
years back.
Yeah.
Yes. So I am just observing lot of
Yeah.
brands, Pepsi, Coke, and Sprite, Fanta. So please, so you are also manufacturing
Yeah.
or just as a third party?
Yes, actually, we started Coca-Cola on April 11th, 2011. It's been 10 years now. I'm making Coke.
10 years.
Yeah. And
The can't.
yeah. So all the cans produced in Pakistan are produced by Mehran Bottlers.
Mehran Bottlers.
Yeah. And we produce a lot of Coca-Cola. We are in compliance with all Coca-Cola audits and all requirements as per their quality is concerned, safety is concerned. Apart from Coca-Cola, we've recently just signed Nestle. We've made this juice, carbonated juice.
Okay.
Of Nestle Fruta Vitals.
Fruta Vitals. This is the
Yeah.
big cane. Okay.
It comes in the big tetra and
Yes, tetra.
but we've
Aye,
made
aye.
it in the cans.
Cans.
Yeah, and this is sparkling. This is with gas.
With gas.
So this is the first time Nestle. Actually, it was the first time that Coca-Cola contracted out to a third party in this region.
Yes.
And this is also the first time that Nestle has contracted out to somebody in this
And I
region,
also
which
seen
is a-
your water, the Pacola,
this is a new-
clean drinking
this is a-
water.
This is a new innovation we launched 2 years
There's a big
ago.
market.
Yeah, we started with this, and now we're in the bulk water also.
Bulk water.
Yeah, and we're doing a lot of corporates.
In the pipeline, this
Yes,
venture.
Yes, we've started the sales also. We have a lot of good key accounts like Gul Ahmed, we are in right now, and a lot of other banks also we've entered. So this is also a new venture that we're in right now.
I think the Kuligan is also nearby. The Kuligan
Pelican is just a couple of miles down
yes,
the road.
your competitor is this.
Yes,
Uh,
he's our competitor, but he's also my friend.
But he just Shekhani just last year
Yeah.
he went to Allah Almighty. He was a really good friend
His
of mine.
son, Mr. Kareem, is actually my best friend. We were in the
Iqbal Shekhani's son.
we were in the same university together in the UK.
He's in Canada or he's in?
He's in Canada right
Canada.
now, but he comes and goes, and we lived in the same house together. We lived in a room which was
Okay.
about this size.
Wow.
This size together in one room for 20
Iqbal
years.
Shekhani is a yaar beta yaar. He knows me personally, sir. He's a great human
sure.
being. He was great. I was unbelievable. Damaged by COVID. Sir, now coming to the last part of the year. Sir, what is entrepreneur? You are an entrepreneur by genes, by DNA, and you established without any support. You lost your father at a early age. Zishan, tell me, what is entrepreneurship? Who is entrepreneur?
For me, an entrepreneur is someone who carries on the legacy forward. मेरे ऊपर तो एक बहुत बड़ी
Yes, responsibility.
responsibility है to make this brand successful and to keep it alive. It was not run in the way that it should have been run in the past. It was not expanded in the same way that we could have expanded in the past. And my job is to keep the green flag flying high and to make sure that this product is available in all corners of the world as fast as possible.
But if just if again I repeat a question, sir, who is entrepreneur? Define one line in your own words. Who is entrepreneur?
Someone who's running a business in a leadership from a leadership point of view. I mean, entrepreneurs तो बहुत हैं. Mohammad Ali Tabba है, Bashir Ali Mohammad है. They all have visions. They all have their own strategies.
Then who is leader? Define leadership. What is leadership and to you because you are mashallah business leader.
मैं बिजनेस लीडर तो नहीं कहलाऊंगा अपने आप को.
But you are a CEO, chief executive.
I'm a CEO of a small family-run business. It's not.
Not a small, no.
leaders
It's not
तो-
getting.
अगर कोई लीडर है तो वो मोहम्मद अली टब्बा है. He is a leader.
Mohammad Ali Taba.
Yeah, I mean इसको तो सेठों का सेठ कहते हैं. He's look at his vision, the way he is from one business.
सर उनको तो कंपनी खरीदने का शौक है.
हाँ.
वो ऐसे उठाता है डेड कंपनी को जिंदा कर देता है.
हाँ. Leader
ICI और
लीडर तो वो है. And then there's other people that you can call entrepreneurs who are just stuck in their own thing and they're not able to diversify. You know.
three characteristics of a leader or a leader or an entrepreneur. Three characteristics, three traits.
Honesty, passion, and pride.
Pride. He takes
Yes,
his product, his services, whatever he does.
it is good. Now we do a lot of products for Coke, for Nestle, for Searle, for Popular, for Gourmet.
जो गोरमेट भी कर रहे हैं.
Yeah.
Wow.
None of these people. You see, can market is a very small share
Yes,
of the.
yes, I know
thing.
the story.
Can
when
is
Salman
just
and
1.5% of the market share.
And it's the future because of the young generation.
Yeah.
They prefer this rather than the old bottle. They love to take this
आप
cane.
दुनिया में किधर भी जाओ तो आपको प्लास्टिक इतना नजर नहीं
नहीं
आता.
आएगा.
आपको कैन नजर आता.
कैन नजर आएगा.
Unfortunately, in Pakistan, because it's so expensive to make the can, it is a premium product. हालांकि दुनिया में premium
नहीं है.
product नहीं है.
नहीं है.
It's
You are
a
right.
run-of-the-mill product. I mean, can market can grow a lot if.
I in
prices
future
are
I
reduced.
can see I can
I
see
mean, just to give you an idea, a can will cost around 18 rupees. Khali can.
Khali cane.
Yeah, but a Khali 250 ml bottle will cost 7 rupees. So it's just more viable to make in PET. अच्छा, ये सिर्फ पाकिस्तान में ऐसा है. दुनिया में ऐसा नहीं है. दुनिया में the prices are almost at par.
Okay.
19-20 का फर्क है. So until and unless the can prices have been reduced, it will not grow.
Sir, who's your role model? From where you get the inspiration, Zishan?
Bill Gates, his.
You get the inspiration from Bill Gates?
I've seen a lot of his on Facebook, his interviews and stuff, and I
He's
think
inspirational. Jack Ma,
Yeah.
Warren Buffett,
yeah, they are.
Steve Jobs.
But these are all like a business, related. But in terms of apart from business, I'm also inspired a lot by some footballers, some movie stars who've started.
Maradona.
नहीं, Maradona तो है अपनी
वो
जगह
तो
पे है.
अपनी जगह
हाँ.
पे.
But someone like David Beckham who started from nothing.
हाँ, yes,
And he became one of the best footballers in the world. Now he owns his own football club. In Miami, he made his own football club, and he has made his name from a footballer to an icon,
Wow.
to a brand icon.
Legend.
So-
Your favorite book, sir?
When I was younger, I don't read a lot of books, but when
Any
I
book
was
which
younger,
really impacted you?
I had this book that I read was called Animal Farm.
Old Animal Farm.
It's called Animal Farm.
Animal Farm.
It's by Roald Dahl, I think it was, and it was about these animals who were living in the farm and how they took over the farm, and it was relating to the political governments and how it was in relation to that. It's a very good book. Inspired me a lot at that time.
Your definition of success
For me to be number one,
in the beverage industry?
yeah, in my field. Yeah.
So what is the trajectory of time you look into, you foresee?
I don't know how to define success, but
When you will reach your destination? Any timeline?
I don't
3,
think-
4, 5, 10 years? Timeline is down the road, I will be there.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि वो जब आप उधर पहुंचते हो तो दूसरा शुरू हो जाता है.
नहीं वही तो एक तो पहुंचे ना 100 करेंगे तो 200 पे जाएंगे ना.
अब आप मुझे बताएं ना, my dream was to be one of the best bottlers in Pakistan, and my mother always used to say to me कि तुम जो है ना दुनिया के सबसे अच्छे ब्रांड बनाओगे और तुम बस काम करते रहो,
वाह, वाह,
बाकी तुम छोड़ दो, ठीक है ना. So now I make Coke, world's biggest
बड़ी
brand.
बात है.
Nestle, world's biggest brand.
ये आम बात नहीं है.
I make Rooh Afza, which is Pakistan's biggest brand. I make Pakola, which is bigger than all of them. तो मतलब
बड़ा प्राइड है. शी आई रियली आई एम इंस्पायर्ड. मैं तो बड़ा आज समझ आई. सर हैप्पीनेस हाउ डू यू डिफाइन?
to be free.
फ्री मीन
free emotionally, socially, physically, free from
Oh
boj.
yes, I got it.
From boj.
शादी हो गई?
I was married, yes.
Yes.
Yeah, I have an 18-year-old son.
माशाल्लाह, माशाल्लाह.
Yeah.
तो he is in UK?
No, he's at home right now. अब तो स्कूल बंद हो गई हैं, but he's in Karachi American School.
Okay, so what is your philosophy of succession planning? Because at the end of the day, you know, the biggest challenge with a business, any business, family business, they are unable to develop the successors.
No, I'm very
Planning,
lucky.
any planning in your part?
No, I'm very lucky in this sense that my son, he gets a lot of his what do you call inspiration तो नहीं कहेंगे, मतलब he's genetically
Yes, उसके अंदर है.
50% तो इसकी माँ का बेटा है ना,
हाँ,
so ये बहुत smart और humble है, and he is very much passionate about this business.
Leverage.
Yeah, and he comes here every day. Probably he will walk in half an hour.
Okay, मुलाकात करते हैं. ये नया young future CEO. Yes, he's a future CEO.
You can interview him
ये
also.
future CEO. मेरे किताब आ रही है future
So
CEO.
he's very much passionate, and I'll tell you a very funny thing कि मैं रात को जब घर जाता हूँ ना, तो नॉर्मली जो है ना, माँ या बाप जो होते हैं वो बच्चे से पूछते हैं कि बेटा स्कूल में क्या हुआ, तुमने पढ़ा नहीं पढ़ा, क्या हुआ, तुम टेस्ट में हुआ. यहाँ पे उल्टा है, जब मैं घर पहुँचता हूँ लंच के डिनर के टेबल पे, तो वो मुझसे पूछता है कि आज कितनी सेल हुई,
ओए 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 रियली?
आज कितने पैसे आए, अच्छा कोको कोला वाले ने क्या बोला, नेस्ले वाले ने क्या बोला, अच्छा नई लाइन कब लगा रहे हैं, वो बैंक ने क्या बोला, अप्रूव हो गई नई लाइन.
क्या बात है?
मतलब
he's a born entrepreneur.
he's just
Look into and
yeah, he's just one way, he's just wants to, you know, and he will come here.
हालांकि इस एज में तो लोग बच्चे तो कोई पार्टी कर रहे होते हैं, कुछ खेल रहे होते हैं, कुछ मूवीज के शौक होते हैं, कुछ
बचपन से जो है ना, when I went to boarding school, like I was telling you over there, I used to come here like to Pakistan for like a month a year or
Okay.
6 weeks a year, and we used to live in Garden East, and my mother used to send me here, and I used to sit in this room on this sofa. ये 30 years पुराना sofa है. This was my father's table. I have not changed
Okay,
it.
wow.
It's a very old table.
This is your legacy.
Yeah, I don't want to
Legacy
change it.
brand.
Yeah.
This is a legacy table.
I don't want to change. This is all very old furniture.
Wow. What do you have association?
This has an emotional attachment.
Yes,
to me.
association.
So even if it looks bad, I don't really care, you know, to be honest. तो वो my mom used to send me here, and since then मेरे अंदर आहिस्ते आहिस्ते जब मैं यहाँ बैठता था तो
वो एक
सुनते
सबकॉन्शियस
तो रहते हैं ना, तो
सबकॉन्शियस में
अंदर होता था. तो I did
प्रोग्रामिंग होती थी.
I did the same thing with my son. So when COVID started, even before that he would come here on and off, but when COVID started, जो online schooling थी, he did it from his own office. He has an office here. So he did it from his own office. वो सुबह 8 बजे यहाँ आता था, वो ऑफिस में करता था, तो मैं 10-11 बजे आता था, तो लंच मेरे साथ करता था, फिर शाम को फिर क्लास होती थी 3 बजे, तो he would be sitting here at the lunch table, and because of that he got into the mind frame of business, and now he understands it. So
बड़ी जबरदस्त ट्रेनिंग है जी. आई अप्रिशिएट वेरी फ्यू. मैंने उनको इंस्पायर में बच्चे से मिलूंगा यार, क्या करते मतलब कुछ टिप देना कोई. आई विल
just
यूज.
got to breathe and move forward and understand that
आपने इतनी
the other
ग्रीनरीज
person.
पत्ते लगाए, इसके साथ बैठ जाते हैं, पौधों से बातें करते हैं, क्या
I
करते
mean, on the weekend I do a lot of swimming and I go to
Swimming?
the beach. Yeah.
That's the one.
Yeah.
स्विमिंग ये एंटी डिप्रेसेंट है, ये आपको रिलैक्स करती है.
If I'm in Karachi, I will try and go to the beach and I will swim in the beach.
कौन से वाला बीच?
I go to French Beach.
French Beach?
Yeah. Every Sunday, usually twice a month at least. अभी विंटर में भी जो है कोई पानी में नहीं जाएगा, but you will see me. I will be in there in the cold water and swimming, and
सबसे बेस्ट एक्सरसाइज है.
बहुत refreshing exercise है, and it completely clears your
आपको
mind.
सारा
हाँ
डीक्लटर कर देती है, अनवाइंड कर देती है.
हाँ, but that you have to wait for the weekend for that. जो गुस्सा जो immediate जो आता है,
उसको कैसे करते हैं?
you just have to you know, sometimes it's
क्यों वर्कआउट
difficult.
करते हैं जाके फिर?
No, I don't do any workout. I'm not a gym person. My son is. He goes to the gym every day.
अच्छा.
Yeah, he's like.
वाओ, बॉडी बिल्डर है.
6 फुट का है. He's
Oh wow.
He's into that kind of stuff. I don't like going to the gym.
माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह।
I would prefer to just swim, or go for a walk. I do in the winter sometimes, but अभी pollution इतना है, dust इतना है,
नहीं दिल करता।
रोड गंदे हैं, गटर खुले पड़े हुए हैं, किधर आदमी जाए? आप मुझे बताएं ना, ट्रैफिक इतना खराब है। I mean, where to do all these things?
Sir, last question. Your message of optimism. So, what is a message for young future CEOs, future entrepreneurs, and the future generation?
देखें, जो मैंने सीखा है over the last 20 years is that if you really want something, whether it's in your professional life, personal life, and you want it from here, and if your intentions are clean and you have no if बुरे दिल के नहीं हो, मतलब तो you can do it, you can achieve anything. मैंने जब कोका कोला शुरू किया था ना, the first time I wrote to Coca-Cola was in 2004. I didn't get any reply from them.
अच्छा।
Not a reply to their
वो बड़ा उनके वो बड़े
not reply to their emails and और मैंने ये सोचा था कि यार ये मुझे करना है, बस करना है, मुझे करना है, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए मुझे करना है। One time I wrote them a letter and I said the first 1 million cans I will fill for free. उसका भी जवाब नहीं दिया इन्होंने। सही है ना? ठीक है ना? But then I met the right person somehow.
किससे मिले?
That guy's name was called Sajid Bari. And Sajid Bari was reporting to this gentleman called Shoaib Pasha. He was the director of supply chain over there. And these two people, with Imran Mushtaq, these two people understood what I was saying and they had that same vision. And we started producing. So until then, there were no cans in Pakistan for Coke. Pepsi was making cans and Coca-Cola was importing cans and selling at a higher price. There was no production of Coca-Cola cans. I was the first person in Pakistan to produce Coca-Cola cans. So, and that was a target. मेरे खुद के स्टाफ मुझे कहता था, मेरा CFO जो आज भी मेरे साथ है, वो मुझे कहता था कि सेठ ये नहीं करेंगे आपके साथ काम, आपके ऊपर जो है,
बड़े टफ लोग हैं वो, I know them.
वो बहुत टफ है काम करने में उनके साथ,
मुझे मालूम है, उनके SOPs बहुत टफ है।
हाँ, बट वो कहते थे वो नहीं करेंगे आपके साथ काम क्योंकि आपके ऊपर फैमिली का एक पेप्सी का भी एक
चल रहा है
इम्प्रेशन है कि यू आर पार्ट ऑफ द पेप्सी फैमिली। बट मैंने बोला जो भी है, वी आर नॉट एनी मोर पार्ट ऑफ द पेप्सी फैमिली, वी हैव नॉट बीन पार्ट ऑफ द पेप्सी फैमिली फॉर 25 इयर्स मैन, मतलब क्यों नहीं करेंगे काम के साथ? तो अगर आप कोई चीज के पीछे लगे रहते हो ना, तो आई वुड
गिव अप नहीं करते आप।
हाँ, आई वुड एडवाइज एनीबडी हु इज लिसनिंग टू डोंट गिव अप and this is not a T20 match, this is a test match. You take it one day at a time with that longer goal in mind, then you can reach there. And अगर आपको करना है आप करें, किसी की बात नहीं सुने, जो होना है हो जाता है।
Thank you, Zishan. बहुत शुक्रिया. I am really honored to have a very meaningful conversation with Zishan Teli. The key learnings of the day. पहला तो जो आखिरी जुमला बोला उसको मैं पहले रिपीट कर देता हूँ. Never give up. Second, passion. Follow your passion. जिंदगी में सबसे कीमती चीज़ होती है. और थर्ड, अगर आपको लेमन मिला है तो उसका लेमनेड बना लें, क्योंकि इनकी फालत ही was 8 when he left और इन्होंने सारी स्ट्रगल किया, फैमिली से बिजनेस मैनेज किया, लिया, और फिर एक पूरा स्ट्रगल स्टोरी है ये. इट्स रियली स्टोरी ऑफ पेन एंड प्राइड. अनदर स्टोरी विद द CEO क्लब पाकिस्तान. वी आर रियली प्राउड ऑफ ज़ीशान लाइक एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, और बहुत अच्छा लगा इनसे बात करके. थैंक यू. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.